Generative AI will be the new way to conduct an online search. We will move from search engines to answer engines. That's the premise of Perplexity.ai, a pure player which is now attracting millions of visitors per month. Google has just announced its own take on the subject under the SGE label for Search Generative Experience. Bing was the first major search engine to integrate a conversational interface through its partnership with OpenAI. Let's see how a search query shared by Google in a recent presentation delivers results on Perplexity.ai and Bing.com. The query shared at the I/O conference was, "What's better for a family with kids under 3 and a dog, Bryce Canyon or Arches National Parks?" And here is the answer given by this new search engine experience of Google. Both Bryce Canyon and Arches National Parks are family friendly. Although both parks prohibit dogs on unpaved trails, Bryce Canyon has 2 paved trails that allow dogs. So that's on Google. This search experience is now accessible only on invitation. But you can already use Perplexity.ai. So the same question, what's better for a family with kids under 3 and a dog, Bryce Canyon or Arches National Park? And this is the answer, a short one. Both Bryce Canyon and Arches National Park have restrictions on pets. Pets are not allowed on hiking trails, in the backcountry, or in public buildings in both parks. However, same information as on Google, Bryce Canyon has paved surfaces where pets are allowed. So this is Perplexity.ai, and we move now to Bing.com, which you can also access via the Edge browser. So I asked the same question, and the answer was generated in this sidebar. It's a bit longer. That's a tough choice. Both Bryce Canyon and Arches National Park are beautiful and offer a variety of outdoor activities, blah, blah, blah. And here you have the information, but it's not as clear as on Google and Perplexity.ai, I would say, regarding dogs. And as you can see, all those sources, or all those platforms, share their sources. So you can click here to go to brycecanyon.com or to TripAdvisor or other destinations. And you can also ask follow-up questions. So you can say, "Oh, I would like to visit both parks," or "I think I prefer Bryce Canyon." And so you enter a chat with actually ChatGPT, GPT-4, which is used by Bing. You also have follow-up questions, more in the traditional sense, on Perplexity.ai. So you can just here ask a follow-up question. And on Google, but I don't have access to the live version, you can also ask a follow-up question here. And as you can see on Google, you've got those 3 little widgets on the right-hand side, which link to the sources which inspired the answer generated by Google right here. The question is, will many people click on those links, and what does a move to answer engines mean for SEO?